Give you important information about the important medicine for male potency in homeopathy, for those whose desire for sex decreases and they do not feel like having sex. This medicine is especially useful for those people who have a severe lack of nervous and male potency, or whose male potency has become very weak, especially when there is a severe decrease in the tension of the genitals, and its veins have become very weak. Today, through this video, I will give you complete information about this medicine. My name is Dr. Mohammed Tariq. I welcome you to my channel. So let's start. Regular use of onosmodium restores the tension in the veins. This medicine is very useful for those men and women who are not interested in sex because their body has a severe lack of male power. The use of this medicine increases the blood pressure in the veins of the male organs and improves its function. With its use, a wave of power is felt in the body and mental tension is reduced. The patient of onosmodium looks very weak physically and mentally, and all the body parts feel droopy. The special symptom of women in this medicine is that its use increases the desire for sex. Here are some of the specific symptoms of an onosmodium patient. Mentally and physically, he looks very weak and tired. All the body parts feel droopy and weak. He has a severe lack of strength. Left side is the best medicine for migraine. I hope you like this video of mine. I will keep bringing such informative videos. Subscribe to my channel so that the video reaches you first.